In the beautiful islands of Kauai lived a little girl named Lilo. She had a unique best friend, a blue alien named Stitch. Lilo loved Stitch, but sometimes he caused quite a fuss. One night, Lilo couldn't sleep. Stitch was jumping around, making noise, and being his usual mischievous self. Lilo sighed and said, "Stitch, I need to sleep. Can you please be quiet?" Stitch looked at Lilo and felt sad. He didn't want to make Lilo upset. So, Stitch had an idea. He said, "Lilo, let's go on a magical adventure before you sleep. Promise me you'll sleep after that." They found a hidden beach, and Stitch transformed it into a magical place filled with glowing flowers and sparkling water. Lilo giggled with delight. They swam in the sparkling water, played with the glowing flowers, and watched the stars twinkle above. It was the most beautiful sight Lilo had ever seen. After a while, Lilo started to feel tired. Stitch knew it was time to go home. They walked back, holding hands, and Lilo fell asleep as soon as they reached home. The next morning, Lilo woke up feeling refreshed and happy. She realized that sometimes, a little adventure can make the best memories and help you sleep tight. From then on, Lilo and Stitch knew that a little magic and adventure made their nights even more special. And they lived happily, exploring the beautiful islands of Kauai together.